So I'm going to create for you the Seattle Spritz. Now this is a drink that really celebrates, again, all of the wonderful character that was within Westland Flagship whiskey, but we're really looking to pull it into a very different territory. More of an aperitivo style drink, something that works at a very different occasion or time of day. And the beauty of this is it's got lots of flexibility behind it. It's something that we're going to serve a little bit more mojito style over crushed ice, but it can also be served in a spritz in a wine glass over cubed ice. It can work in a number of different settings, and it works beautifully to still work to the nuances and flavors within the whiskey. So we're going to start with some fresh mint leaves. So 8 to 10 mint leaves, there to be able to be this wonderful green aromatic, pulling out some of the brightness, giving it a cooling sensation. But we're not there to tear the hell out of the mint. We don't want to over extract this to be able to kind of pull it in a very different style direction. We want this to be the whiskey forwards. So we're going to start with just a 1/4 ounce of some sugar syrup, to be able to balance out some sweetness, alongside 1/4 ounce of some fresh lime juice. And as an aromatic to balance, we're going to use 3/4 ounce of some Aperol. The idea behind this is it brings a little bit of a kind of golden orange note alongside a light kind of sweet bitterness to it. So 3/4 ounce of the Aperol and 1 ounce of our Westland Flagship whiskey. We'd give this a very quick mix just to be able to incorporate all those flavors and make sure that everything's married through alongside the whiskey. And it starts to tease out some of these kind of brighter, summery aspects that are within the whiskey itself. We're gonna lengthen this with 3 ounces of soda water. And that's there to give a salinity and balance as we serve this over crushed ice. So we're gonna crown this with lots of crushed ice to really chill the drink down. Quick stir just to pull those mint leaves out. Making sure that we're not kicking off too much dilution. We just want there to be all of the aromatics lifted together. Crowning this with lots of crushed ice, so it's nice and cool and bright. And pop a straw in here, and then just as the garnish, to be able to kind of give this kind of brighter aromatic, put it in a very different direction. We've got a big sprig of mint to be able to sit right on the top. We have our Seattle Spritz. Wonderfully bright, brings the whiskey into a very different occasion, still celebrates all of the complexity and nuances that are within Westland's Flagship whiskey.